I am Captain Kirkley D. Amigos, Commanding Officer of 9th Special Forces Hounds Company under 3rd Special Forces Arrowhead Battalion, operating within Caraga Region. I am a proud member of OCC Class 46, 2016. In 2017, I was deployed here in Marihatag, wherein itong Marihatag na to is historically, nandito po yung hindi makalimutan na ambush. During our deployment sa sa area ng Caraga, ng Andap Valley Complex, we have encountered a lots of challenges, including na doon sa binigyan kami ng taning ng within 3 days. Kung hindi po kayo aalis, sir, kami ang aalis. Which is yan yung kanilang taktikang bakwit. Halos pagsaraduhan na kami ng pinto at ng kanilang mga bintana. And then yung isang experience na hindi ko makalimutan is merong bata doon na tumatakbo. Sa kanyang murang edad, sinasabi niya sa amin na kalaban, nandiyan na yung mga kalaban. Shifting from combat operations to community immersion sa engagement, unti-unti kong naintindihan yung sa mass-based operations kung paano mag-engage sa mga tao. With all those experiences, unti-unti naming nakuha yung kalooban ng mga tao. We work hand in hand with the local government unit, nabigyan yung kanilang pag-deliver ng basic services. At dahan-dahan din na nagkaroon na ng kalsada doon sa sitio, nagkaroon ng kuryente. At ang pinakamaganda pa ay nagkaroon na rin ng isang DepEd accredited school, o meron ng isang eskwelahan sa lugar. And from all those experiences, I have learned what a true Special Forces operator was. Nalaman ko na yung we are more than our combat operations, efficiency sa combat operations, becoming technically and tactically proficient. We are more than that. Ang kailangan po pala para maging effective is meron kang puso. Meron kang puso para sa tao at sa community. Being a Special Forces operator requires courage and determination. It is required to defeat the enemy in the battlefield. Pero yung courage and determination na rin pala yun is a requirement to liberate the oppressed. Even if it requires sacrificing oneself.